paragraph 120. At the same time, there were adverse media reports pertaining to crime intelligence. The minister subsequently called me to express his intention to appoint a senior counsel to investigate various issues highlighted by the media, including the appointment of Brigadier Lekhalanyane, Brigadier Mokwele, the security clearance of Lieutenant General Dimsani Khumalo, and the murder of Senzo Makata. I assured him that detailed information on these topics was readily available to him, and reiterated my previous request to brief him comprehensively on matters of division, crime intelligence, and the PKTT. The minister agreed to attend a briefing on the afternoon of the 16th. So in short, what I'm explaining there is that these matters were that time in the media, and I asked him that, because he says he was concerned, he wanted to appoint a senior counsel to investigate these matters. What I said to him was, well, the information is yours and is available to you. If you choose to go and appoint a counsel to buy it, it's up to you, but it's readily available to you and you can get it for free. And he asked, does that include Senzo Makata's matter? I said, yes, indeed. It's one of those matters that we said we want to brief you on, because what you see in the media, you know more about what happened to Senzo Makata. It is exactly because of the PKTT that investigated the matter. The matter happened long before Dimsani Khumalo joined crime intelligence. And when he joined, he unearthed this. He investigated, he arrested people on this. Currently, we know there are various witnesses that have been protected for this specific case. So it's a case that is unearthed by us. So you can't say, for example, you always hear out there that the firearm and the vehicle that killed Senzo Makata was come from crime intelligence. Yes, indeed so, but the reason why you know that is because of the PKTT that investigated the matter. Most people think that this happened now during when General Dimsani Khumalo was in CI. It's false. No, it's not like that. Happened before him. Upon him assuming the duties as divisional commissioner, while he was at the PKTT, he investigated this matter and they unearthed it and they made arrest. Hence, there are some people. There is a hitman that has been convicted. The case is not yet finalized; it's still continuing. So, I told him that that's how these matters came to light. So, make time. Let's brief you, but it's for him. If he wants to get a counsel to investigate, it's up to him. On paragraph 121.
Sorry, before you get there, at the time when the minister called you, as you say in paragraph 120, in relation to the sequence of events, was this before the minister took a decision that the task team be disbanded immediately, or is this after the decision had already been taken?
Well, that time, the decision was already taken. The letter or the directive was already issued 31st of January 2024. So these discussions were somewhere around 1450.
You mean December, General?
Oh, yeah, December 2024, yes. And these discussions were somewhere in 15 January 2025.
So the minister will tell the commission if these facts that arose after the decision, after his letter, were relevant considerations that he took into account when he gave that directive. But let's leave that for the minister to explain.
Thank you, Commissioner.
If you go to 121 then, you are about